Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to like and follow pages. There are many pages that I find on my personal account and I follow and like them even though I did not do that. In this video, we will explain how to know the pages that I follow and like and how to cancel that follow and like. The video is easy. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's get to the explanation. The first step we do, my friend, is go to your Facebook. After that, click on your profile icon. Here, you will find the pages. If you do not find the pages here, click on Show More. Here, you will find the pages. Click on them. Then you scroll this bar here until you find the pages that you liked. Click on them. Here you cancel the follow-up. You will find every page here that you like or follow. You choose the pages that you want to cancel the like or follow and click on Cancel Like, Cancel Follow. And so it was. This is the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any problems, inquiries or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.